Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my little bum box, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And if you want to see that, continue watching. So the box looks like this. It says, "When you're expecting, we deliver." And you open it right here, and this is how it looks like inside. So in the bump box comes this towel twist. See how it looks like. I think it's purple by the looks of it. Looks like this. So basically you put your hair in here, you twirl it, and then you pin it. Yeah, you pin it right here to dry your hair. Free breast pump. I guess I gotta text that number. Basically you deserve to be pampered, what it comes with and stuff like that. Little door sign, has two sides. It also comes with this is white chip raspberry swirl. I never tried this, so hopefully it tastes really good. Some face serum. It says Youth Glow Hydrating Face Serums, and it has omegas, vitamin C, eco-friendly, so there's a lot of different stuff. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's like a dropper. That's how it looks like. It says how to use AM and PM after cleansing. Okay, that's pretty easy to remember. Also, a makeup remover. Some hair ties. Comes with a little baby shirt. And it says, "Hello, I'm new here." And this is the size 3 to 6 months, up to 13 pounds. And the last thing in this box is a belly mask with sunflower seed, coconut oil, and collagen. I'll be trying this later on today. So yeah. And that was all that was in my little bump box today, guys. I hope you guys like this short little video. Currently, I'm 5 months pregnant, and I'm going to be doing these little unboxings every time they come, so you guys can see what I'm getting in my bump box. And yeah, and I'll try to review the mask and the face serum once I actually use it, because I haven't used it yet, so I can't give an actual review about it. But stay tuned for that video. And I'm also going to be doing a maternity haul, so stay tuned for that as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, start like a butterfly.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no.